My name is Alan Eden, and I'm president of Original Saw Company, and I'm here to talk about our new ECS table. The table features a control panel up front with the Keypad access system, e-stop, start-stop, and an hour meter for the arbor motor. Our tables feature dual clamps on both sides of the blade. They slide forward, lock securely, and enclose the cutting area on both sides of the blade. And these tables also include a laser line system that shows where the blade path will be, and it is underneath the cover here. I'll demonstrate the clamping and the cutting process. Slide the material in, lock it with the clamps, and you can pull it with either your left or right hand. There's an extra handle for your opposite hand. So you can pull the carriage with your right hand for the cross cut, or with the left hand. And still has a place for your non-use hand. This is the aluminum back fence on our tables, and it matches the aluminum extrusion that we use on our measuring systems. So in a typical application, the measuring systems from the roller tables will pin right to these extrusions for a seamless fence. Our ECS table has the integrated 4-inch dust port that is also interchangeable with a side port, so it can be connected to the back, or if you've got clearance issues with a wall, you can connect it to the side. And the opposite, whichever one is not in use, is considered a clean out port. If there's any wood chunks that end up in there, it's pretty easy for maintenance to pop the cover off and remove the obstructions. Our ECS table is made of laser cut 10 gauge formed steel, so it's very rigid and flat, and there's a brace underneath when it's welded that keeps the whole table flat, as well as it hard bolts directly into the mounting holes on our frame. On either side of the blade is a Lexan cover that allows you to see into the cutting area, and underneath the blade path is a slot where there is an HDPE plastic insert. So that way, if for some reason the machine is leveled down or elevated down too much, the blade won't contact the steel at all.